I'm here at Purdue Polytechnic's Smart Learning Factory, which is just one component of our college's smart manufacturing ecosystem in engineering technology. Facilities like this are designed to give our students hands-on experience with the technologies that define modern industries, from manufacturing to construction to information technology. And while many of our college's facilities certainly look impressive, the real value goes far beyond their state-of-the-art technology. Their true value comes from the fact that we built our spaces at Purdue in cooperation with countless industry partners. Many students who develop expertise on these systems remain connected and employed by the companies who installed them here in the first place. Our connections create a pipeline of skilled professionals coming straight from Purdue. Their expertise brings so much value to these companies in their persistent pursuit of the next giant leap.